More people, more trees. Environmental recovery in Africa. In the early 90s, two groundbreaking videos were made showing new approaches to sustainable land management in sub-Saharan Africa. The aim was to help poor people overcome poverty through looking after their land better. There was optimism then, and the initial signals were good. But did it stand the test of time, in the face of rising populations and a rapidly changing environment? Burkina Faso and Kenya were revisited to find out from the people themselves. First, Machakos district in Kenya.
So-called media groups like this exist all over Machakos.
Manyira Maleve finally got to see herself in the original program. This was the same Manyira who sounded so positive 2 decades ago.
We see great benefits when we plant maize, beans and onions. They are bigger now, and that is because of preventing soil erosion and using manure and fertilizers.
In 2009, Kenya was in the news because of serious droughts. But Manyira and her family didn't go hungry, thanks to her soil and water conservation efforts. All over the district, land has been conserved through the Enlightened National Programme of the 1980s and 90s. Terracing has been the physical framework, but recently people have invested increasingly in trees, mangoes, citrus and avocados. But the big story is the dramatic rise in the multi-purpose Grevillea robusta, or silky oak. In Machakos, more people has, surprisingly to many, meant more trees. Burkina Faso in the 90s, buzzing with new and exciting projects, improving the land for and with the people. The manager of one such project was Jean-Martin Cambire. Now Jean-Martin is a senior advisor in the ministry headquarters.
Les principales leçons que nous avons pu apprendre à partir de l'expérience de ce programme, c'est qu'il faut dire d'abord que le programme a eu un impact important. Et comme vous êtes parti sur le terrain visiter les réalisations qui ont été faites, vous avez pu constater qu'aujourd'hui, la dégradation des terres est en train d'être réduite.
Low-cost contour stone bunds have been a key element of technical success. A model of a bund shows how such low-cost structures can hold back runoff water and sediment for better plant growth. This was a pioneering approach at the time, and it was empowering because it showed people how they could reverse desertification themselves and improve their own lives. These two cases show how land degradation and desertification can be rolled back and give indications of how the impacts of climate change can be addressed. In fact, adaptation to change is happening already. Farmers are turning back to traditional crops and trees. This then is our responsibility, to work with those who live close to the land and give them the acknowledgement and the sustained support they so richly deserve.